Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing grime and dead skin so products penetrate. Wash your hands with warm water for about 20-30 seconds, then apply a gentle sugar scrub or pumice and massage palms for 1-2 minutes to slough off rough patches. Once done, rinse thoroughly and pat dry, but keep the skin slightly damp. Damp skin absorbs moisturizers better. Make sure to target creases and the base of fingers where callus buildup begins. You now drive moisture deep into the skin. Apply a thick emollient cream or ointment, pressing it into the palm center, along finger bases, and into creases. This traps water and repairs the barrier. For stubborn roughness, use an overnight mask or paraffin treatment 2-3 times weekly to soften callus tissue. Also spend 5-10 minutes massaging each hand to improve circulation and promote product absorption. You finish by locking in gains and preventing relapse. Repeat the routine daily: gentle cleansing, targeted moisturizing, and weekly exfoliation to keep palms soft. Make sure to protect hands with rubber gloves during wet work and insulated gloves in cold weather to stop moisture loss. If deep cracks or persistent pain occur despite consistent care, switch to a fragrance-free ointment and see a dermatologist. Untreated fissures can become infected, so address ongoing issues promptly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.